Today we are taking a look at 4 small, cheap, yet very effective everyday carry tools that could help you conquer your day. Let's go. Hi, my name is Ayan and on this channel I talk about tech, travel, transform, but today I have got for you 4 amazing small multi-tools that you could have in your everyday carry kit. These are very small, but don't get confused. They can be really effective and get all kind of jobs done. So these are the multi-tools that I have been using for a very long time, and I'm using it for different purposes, at different places, at different occasions. So I thought, why don't make a video, I compile them, we share everything that I have been using them for, and along the way I will also share my recommendation on which one of these tools I use on day-to-day basis, which one stays with me every time, which one stays in my pocket, which one stays in my backpack, which one attaches to my keychain, and which one goes with me on every trip. So without further ado, let me take you to the overhead camera and share all of them one by one. Alrighty, so these are all the multi-tools that I wanted to share with you. First of all, I just want to share my philosophy, my uses when it comes to a multi-tool. So I'm a very big believer that every tool should be made for just one job and one job alone. Personally, in my opinion, without some exceptions here and there is no one tool that can do everything for you. But that being said, these multi-tools are still very handy because they might not be perfect in one single job, but they can definitely be very helpful for a variety of jobs, for a variety of different tasks, and you can have them in run and gun situation and you can get the job done. You can get out of the situation very quickly. One thing I also like to mention, that a lot of people like to see some Swiss Army knife, like Victorinox sort of a situation whenever we talk about multi-tool. I don't really like them. Swiss Army knives never really work for me. I don't like to fiddle with them, bringing out different knives and scissors and whatnot, and all those tools I have used it in the past. They never really served me a great purpose. It just become an extra weight to my back. So I am not really a huge fan of Swiss Army knives tools like Victorinox knives and things like that. It might be different for you, it might work for you. If yes, then you can definitely buy them. But for me personally, this is the kind of multi-tool that I really like to keep on my everyday carry kit. So let's check out each one of them one by one, starting from this one. So this is sort of a credit card style multi-card tool. Some people really like to call it a ninja credit card or a ninja card tool that stays in your wallet, and this one has a lot of different things, as you can see. So this is made up of stainless steel and it's a really durable. It's not going anywhere. One thing that I like to mention, this I used to carry this in my wallet back then, but since I started carrying very slim wallet, I don't really have a space for this. So if you are carrying wallet and if you have space for this, you can keep it. I think it's similar to like carrying a metal credit card or 2 different plastic credit card, but yeah, it has a lot of things going over here, as you can see. So it's a form of a credit card, and over here you will find 1 centimeter scale. It goes up to 7 centimeter, and on the back it has an inch scale which goes up to 2 inch. And over here you can see there is some small screwdriver. This is something that you can use to cut open the packets. Of course, in the middle it's very obvious this is a bottle opener, and you also have a small protector over here which can show you what is the degree of different things that you can measure with respect to this particular angle. We also get a small bag opener or small scraper which you can use to cut open the Amazon packages. And then we have wrenches for different screw size, M1, M2. Over here it's mentioned this one is M6, this is M5, M4, M3. I think this one also has M2.5 over here. And then this is a small blade, and this becomes really spooky because they clearly mention blade, and that is one of the reasons you cannot carry this with you on airplanes. I actually tried it once, and no, it wasn't allowed. TSA told me it's very specifically mentioned that it has blade, so they kept it away. But it's very cheap. You get it easily for $2, I would say, so it's not really that much of a problem. And then over here you have some wire gauge measurement. So these are different holes that you can use to measure wire. Not really handy in day-to-day life, but it's good that it's here. Of course, bottle opener is very much visible. You have a screwdriver flathead, and I also think there is a Phillips screw head over here, so you can have different screwdrivers. This thing is labeled as phone holder. I am not really sure how it works. I think you either have to put a card over there and then it will elevate over itself. I'm not very sure, so I'm not gonna comment on that. But yeah, what else to say? It has a smartphone slot. Butterfly wrench, I'm also not very sure how to use that. But if you ask me, this is not a great tool. In my opinion, this is not really something that have been very much helpful for me. But yeah, that being said, I really like to keep it in my wallet every now and then. Of course, the bottle opener works really great. So yeah, that was the first tool, the Ninja Cart multi-tool that stays in your wallet and is a form of a credit card. Alright, moving towards the next tool, which is one of my absolute favorite because this is a small multi-tool which is a beast, and this is by a company called Night Eyes, and the tool name is Night Eyes Doohickey. This is a very small tool, as you can see, but it has a lot of going on over here. Let's talk about it. So on the back you can clearly see it has a Phillips head screw, so you can use it to unscrew from the walls, from the woods, all kind of things. Over here it has a carabiner opening, so this becomes a really great multi-tool, especially if you want to put it in your keychain along with your car keys or things like that. And of course in the front it has a bottle opener. It's a very obvious to see, and then this can be used as a wire cutter or a pry bar. So this is a pry bar that is really helpful. You can also take out nails using this particular V-slot opening, and if you look closely, this is a small edge which is sharpened, and this can be used to open your Amazon packages, open your envelopes and whatnot. And yeah, over here you will see that this can actually cut some wires. So it's not a great wire cutter, but yeah, in the time of need you can definitely use it. Over here you have some saw kind of a mechanism. It's not really sharp, but yeah, it really is a gnarly surface where you can hold on to it. And this has a scale itself as well. It's 2 inches on one side, and over here it has a millimeter measurement on the back. But yeah, nothing more to say. It's a really great tool, especially the pry bar works amazing. It's a very solid stainless steel tool. The pry bar works really handy for opening food packages when you are on the trip. The one absolute best part of this tool is it TSA friendly, so that means you can take it to the airport, you can take it to the flight. And of course, for people like me who are into EDC, we really like to have at least one tool with us all the time, and that is my airport EDC tool, the Night Eyes Doohickey tool. It comes on about $4 to $5, so not really bad. So you can have multiple of them and throw it in your all of the bags. But yeah, nothing more to say. It's a great tool, really comes in handy, especially the pry bar function is really amazing. You can open food tins, paint buckets and whatnot, and you also have a couple of wrench opening over here. So because of the carabiner, it makes a great tool, and it always stays with me in one form or the another. Alright, talking about multi-tool that you can take with you on your planes, I also have one more recommendation on this. So this is the multi-tool by a company called OrbitKey, which makes this amazing OrbitKey key organizer. So this stays in your key organizer itself, and this has a lot of different things. In fact, this one is a really discreet tool, so if you put it inside your key organizer, no one really can tell that you are having a multi-tool over here. But if you take a closer look, it's a great build tool. Again, comes with a black finish, which is really amazing. In the front you have a flat screwdriver. In the back, which is a great mechanism, so you can see you actually have to push it backwards, and only then the Phillips screwdriver will come up. And by keeping it in the keychain itself, you can access every function, which is great. So you don't have to keep the multi-tool out of the keychain, you don't have to unscrew it and bring it out. You can use every function inside the keychain itself. So on the back, as I was mentioning, there is a Phillips head screw, so which you can use by pushing the multi-tool on the other side. What else we have? We have a bottle opener, of course. We also have a pry bar. As you can see, this can also use for pry function, but this is not as great as the Doohickey pry bar, because over here you get 2 different surfaces for prying, but over here it's a very single small surface. But that being said, it's still very good, and the front part has a small edge, so you can use it to open your packages and whatnot. And over here you have a small file. I never really felt the need of a file, but yeah, it's here if you ever need it. Bottle opener, of course, there is small branding by OrbitKey, and over here you have a scale that you can use. I really like that this comes in black color and it stays in the keychain. Overall, it makes a great travel friendly multi-tool whenever you need it, especially because the bottle opener is really good, and you also get a file and a scale. But yeah, not extremely vibrant, to be honest. There could be a couple of more functions, but that's what you get because you are getting to keep it inside a key organizer and make it very discreet. So that was the OrbitKey multi-tool, which stays in your key organizer. Moving towards the next multi-tool, which is my absolute favorite, is again by the company Night Eyes, and this one is called Night Eyes Doohickey Wrench Edition. And wrench is from the name itself. As you can see, this comes with a wrench, which is very satisfying. It is very fidgety. I can play with it all the day, but this also has a great functionality built into it. So right, as you can see, this is a relatively a bigger multi-tool compared to the Doohickey one, because of this function over here. It has a ratchet and it comes with 2 different screw bits. So let's take a look over here. This comes with a carabiner function, so you can also attach it to your keychain. Over here you get a bottle opener. Over here you get 2 different wrenches, and in the front you get a pry bar, which is a great solid pry pry bar. Again, very solid tool, amazing build quality, and this pry bar is really solid. I have used it in all the situation, it never failed me. And the best part about this tool is this two bits that you are getting. One is the flathead big and small, and one is the Phillips head big and small, which attaches to this ratchet. So you can easily bring out this tool by just slanting it, or I really like to bring it over here by completely removing it, and you get access to more wrenches over here, as you can see. But what you could really do is you can take this tool like this and you can bring it out from this rubber grommet, and then you can attach it to the ratchet over here. You just have to match this ball bearing over here with this spotting over here, and this attaches really well, and it's locked in. And you can see you can use it for ratcheting functioning. You can tighten the screw, you can untighten the screw from the other side, and of course it comes with two different heads, the flat head and the Phillips screw head. And once you are done, you can just put it back over here. You can also bring it out by just slanting it, but I really like to take it apart and then use the bit from here. So as I mentioned, this is my absolute favorite multi-tool to carry every day with me, especially in my keychain because of this carabiner function, or you can directly carry it to your pants belt loop. And this ratcheting function is really fidgety, and you can also see that on this side of the pry bar there is also a sharpened edge, so you can use it for cutting open the boxes and whatnot. So overall this is a great value tool. I think it comes for around $10 to $12. I'm not sure. I'm gonna add the links in the description so you can find. So yeah, for a quick review, these are all the tools that I am using, my favorite multi-tools of all time. As I mentioned, Swiss Army knives don't really work for me, so I recommend if you are carrying a wallet and if you have space, you can use this one. This always stays in your wallet, so you have one multi-tool all the time. If you are having an Orbit key organizer already, then it definitely makes sense to go for Orbit key multi-tool and add it to your key organizer itself. Otherwise, you can always buy any of this if you have a ratcheting function on day-to-day life like me, because I'm always building and breaking things. Then Night Heist doohickey ratchet is a great multi-tool for you. But for the rest of the situation, Night Heist doohickey can do everything that you might require. It's also TSA friendly, so you can also take it to the flight, to the airport, and that makes it a great everyday airport EDC tool. Alright, so that was all the multi-tools that I use on day-to-day basis to get my work done. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. I hope you really like this video. If you want to check out my recommendation for 8 everyday carry items, then definitely check out this video. I hope you really enjoyed it and learned something new, and on that note, I'm gonna see you in the next one.